Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's Charlie Mar Beauty, and we're doing a wig install from Amazon. Okay, watch me install this 13 by 4 HD transparent lace. It's a body wave and it's 24 inches. And it's from Amazon, under $100, ladies. So check it out. Also, it's human hair, but it's blended with synthetic, and you can feel the synthetic in the hair, but you can still curl it, use heat, and style it, and it does what it needs to do for the price. So let me know. Also chopped it a little bit, the bangs in the front and the ends just a little bit. Hey, it's Charlie Mar Beauty. Today I'm here with a new install. We're gonna do a wig install. This wig is from Amazon. I'll have the information posted below, and it's gonna be a voiceover because right now we're getting ready to style it. Okay. I also have my bonnets, lip gloss, and eyelashes are gonna be available at charliemarbeauty.shop here shortly. I had to restart my website, so I'll keep you ladies posted. Okay, so I washed the hair and I sprayed my heat protectant on it so that we can blow dry it because we're trying to install this wig ASAP. I'm going over the front of the wig with my hot comb to make sure everything's just slayed. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in and pluck. I didn't pluck this wig the first time around, and boy, it looks like a cap. So we're going to do some plucking to make sure we can get that natural look, okay? All right, stay tuned. Okay, so plucking takes time, ladies. It's not like a quick process. It took me roughly 30 to 45 minutes to pluck from one side to the other. And when I got done, I had a nice little pile on my floor, okay? If you ain't got a nice little pile after plucking the front of your lace, you ain't doing it right. You didn't pluck enough. No, I'm just kidding. Pluck to your liking. I'll show you my little pile at the end. This wig needed some plucking, trust me. Okay, so this is how much hair came out from me plucking my edges, okay? Okay, when you pluck the front of your lace and then do a part and then pluck the next layer. You want to do a good amount of plucking so that you can see some scalp. You don't want it to be just full black on, full hair. You know, you want to be able to see some scalp. You're going for natural. That's the reason you want to pluck your lace. But if you're cool with wearing a full front of hair, you know, and no scalp, then hey, to each his own. But I want my look to be as natural as possible. So I started out plucking the front. I parted it, plucked some more. I even did a second part and plucked some more. And she came out looking cute, okay? To be honest, with the way that my curls fell, I don't even think you can see my sides of my hairline or whatever to see that it came out looking natural. But I am going to recurl it once I get me some hairspray, just to see if you guys can see what she's giving. It's very important to pluck. Please pluck your wigs, ladies. Baby hair pretty cut. That's a whole lot better than what she was giving before. Okay, so these are my bonnets. I'm focusing on Black Girl Magic, Black Girl Affirmations. So my bonnets will represent Black culture, Black girl power, basically, okay? Okay, so I'm curling this wig. I'm curling this hair. And I don't have any spritz, you guys. So the curls are there, but they're not as, what would you say? Can you say volume? The curl isn't as tight as I would like them to be, but that's okay. We got to get ready for the day. And I already got my cornrow braids in, looking like Queen Latifah from Set It Off. So I can't wait to install this wig so we can just be even more beautiful, okay? All right. Okay, fast forward, we're getting ready to install this wig. I used the Got2b Glue gel along my hairline, let that dry a little bit or get tacky, I should say. And then I'm going with the Evans hairspray. I can't spray no more, it's jammed. So yes, this is how I'm putting it on, okay? Anyways, this is more like an instant dry, this Evan hairspray. If you guys don't know, check it out. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw that wig on and call it a day. I didn't really do a makeup look. I'm gonna do a makeup look here shortly because I got some tea. Okay. I didn't even really want to install this wig, but I wanted to do something convenient for the ladies to let them know, hey, don't be afraid to shop Amazon wigs. Don't be afraid to shop in places like Amazon, Temu, for cheaper wigs, okay? They might not be 100% human, but for what you're paying for them, you're getting your money's worth, okay? So this wig definitely does the job. Plus, I'm taking a course with Hood Rat Holly. Shout out, Holly, Hood Rat Holly. And it's called How to Be a Paid Influencer. So this was a quick homework study slash, I can't say promo because I'm not getting paid, but we're working on getting paid and being consistent. So I did my Amazon wig. Next, I'm going to do my Mega Look wig, and that's the red, honey brown, and black that I'm going to be installing after this. That's the wig I wanted to install. But I had to do this for homework for Hood Rat Holly's course. I believe her course is $100. I got it on sale for half of that. Check the girl out. She gives some real good tea. What you don't get from her in the class, you get from your classmates. I think it's valuable. I'm getting a lot of valuable information from Holly and the girls. And then not only that, we're following each other and we're supporting one another. So it's a good networking system on top of a class that Holly is offering. I think it's beneficial. It's giving me value. So check her out. Okay, so for this wig to be $100 or less, the lace is definitely given. The closure, the 13x4 closure is definitely given. I would say this part of the wig is human hair, and I believe the back is blended. Because if you notice the ends, they're having a hard time curling without me having to spritz them. And it was a little bit rougher, the back of my hair. But again, you get what you pay for. I recommend this wig. If you're just trying to get through the week, the work week or school week, I definitely recommend this wig. I've worn it at least 3 times already and it's still in good shape. Okay, we styled her and we ready to go. It's Charlie Mar Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe.